Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Moto H20 device. So stock UI experience versus this ColorOS kind of mixed UI in this OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see which phone actually opens the Battlegrounds mobile game faster during this time of testing. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And this is a question which has been asked by a couple of subscribers asking me to compare these both phones especially. The Snapdragon 778G versus the Snapdragon Dimensity 1200, not Snapdragon. So Dimensity 1200, I wish they could have included Snapdragon, but that's not the case. So Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 778G processor. So first, all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and both phones should be connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me show you friends exactly. Both are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. That's also same thing. And now let me start the Battlegrounds mobile game at same time between these both phones. Let's see which phone actually opens the Battlegrounds mobile game faster during this process of demonstration. That's what I'm going to check at this moment. And I think first let me need to enable the game time. Game time is not enabled, but still the phone was able to open pretty fast. You can see how much slow the OnePlus Nord 2 took. And Moto H20 did open exactly in like about seconds, 24 seconds. OnePlus Nord 2, 26 and 27 seconds. As you can see the difference, friends, 27 and 26 seconds, the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. Let me do clear and let's enable this game mode in this Moto. Let's go to this play and enable this. Yes, now it's enabled successfully. Now let's start the test again. Let's see this time using the game time and game space. So both game turbo enhancement features are completely on. Now we're going to observe exactly the difference. Again, the Moto H20 did open this logo first, and you can see the OnePlus Nord 2 how much slow it is. And Moto H20 did open within 19-18 seconds of time, and the OnePlus Nord 2 took about close to 23 seconds of time. As you can see clearly the difference, friends, the Moto H20 was able to open pretty faster. And now it's time to turn on the high performance mode. Let's go to the battery options and let's turn on the high performance mode. And now let's start the Battlegrounds mobile game testing. Let's see. Using this high performance mode, what happens with the overall Battlegrounds mobile game speed. So can this open fast or not? That's what I'm going to demonstrate. So using the high performance mode, I think the OnePlus Nord 2 can open actually fast, I guess, this time. Yes, OnePlus Nord 2 did open a little bit kind of faster. Let me try to test again multiple times. And now let's try again 1, 2 and 3. Let's see this time what happens with this game. So Moto H20 again, even with the high performance mode also the OnePlus Nord 2 didn't open as fast as the Moto H20, the stock UI versus the OnePlus. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this a quick comparison between these both phones in terms of the opening speeds of this Battlegrounds mobile game, and overall we got to know that the Moto H20 was able to open slightly faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video and let's try to for more updates, and meanwhile signing off until then, bye.